This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the new adware called MountainVibe. This MountainVibe is the adware that displays the huge portion of really intrusive advertisements that are not really genuine. These ads may even point users to many shady and deceptive places in the internet. Also, this MountainVibe adware may cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. If this MountainVibe was found on your Mac, go to your applications on your Mac, locate this MountainVibe, then right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.